Good morning, fourth grade, and welcome to math class. I hope you are all having a fantastic day so far. As you know, we have recently begun a geometry unit. Yesterday, we began learning about area and perimeter. We practiced solving the area and perimeter of rectangles. Today, we will continue to practice that. By the end of class today, you will be able to explain the formulas for measuring the perimeter and area of a rectangle, measure the perimeter and area of objects around you, and discover how using perimeter and area can help you in the real world. Now, yesterday I gave you some homework to bring a few things to class. I asked you to bring a ruler, a photograph, and a book. And I said that if you did not have a photograph or a book, you could also bring something else that is a rectangle shape. If you remember to bring all of those things to class, please give me a thumbs up on your toolbar. Okay, looks like a couple of you may have forgotten. That's okay. I am going to give you 1 minute to find those items and return to the classroom. Okay, go ahead. All right, now that you're all back, we are going to start off by practicing the area and perimeter song that we learned yesterday. I am going to put the lyrics on your screen for you, and please try your best to sing along. Where is area? Where is area? Do you know? Do you know? Area's in the middle. Area's in the middle. Multiply. Multiply. Where is perimeter? Where is perimeter? Do you know? Do you know? Perimeter is outside, perimeter is outside, at all sides, at all sides. Okay, excellent job. We will continue to practice that for the next few days, and it would be a great idea to practice it at home as well to help you remember how to solve it for area and perimeter of a rectangle. Okay. So yesterday we learned the formulas for solving perimeter and area of a rectangle. Can anyone remind me the formula for solving the perimeter of a rectangle? Raise your hand if you think you know. Okay, Lucy? Yes, we add the 4 sides together to find the perimeter. So that's length plus width plus length plus width. Excellent, Lucy. Okay, so now I'm going to put a rectangle on your screen for you, and we are going to measure it to find the perimeter. So what is our first step? What should we do first? Kyle. Great, we need to measure the length and width. So Kyle, could you use your ruler and measure the length of the triangle for us? Or the rectangle. Measure the length of the rectangle. Yes, 4 inches. Good. So remember, the top and the bottom lines, they are parallel in the same length, so they are both 4 inches. Who can measure the vertical sides? Okay, Ariana? Yes, they are 3 inches. 3 inches. So now that we know the length is 4 inches and the width is 3 inches, what do we do next? Mei-ling? Yes, we add them all together. So what do we add, Mei-ling? Yes, 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 equals 14. But we don't just say 14, we need to add the units of measurement. So what is it? Yes, Mailing, 14 inches. Excellent. Very good. Now we are going to measure the area of the same rectangle. Who can tell us what is the formula for finding area of a rectangle? Pablo? Yes, length times width. Very good. So we already know from measuring before that the length is 4 inches and the width is 3 inches. So how do we solve this? Rashida? Not 4 plus 3. Good try. Yes, Rashida, 4 times 3 equals 12 inches. Close. It is 12. But we don't just say inches for area. What do we say? Jessica? Yes, square inches. Very, very good. Now that we have practiced finding area and perimeter together as a class, now is your turn to independently practice finding area and perimeter. This is where we will use your book and photograph or any other rectangular object that you found. In a minute, I'm going to put you all in a breakout room and individual breakout rooms, and you are going to measure both of the objects and find the area and perimeter of both of them. Don't just write the answer. Be sure to show your work so I can see how you solved it. If you need help while you're working, please raise your hand and I will come help you as quickly as I can, and I will be going through all of your rooms to check on your progress. Any questions? Okay, I will give you 10 minutes to do this. See you soon. Okay. So now you're all back from your breakout rooms, and I saw some really excellent work while you were in your breakout rooms. Cameron, I really liked the way that you calculated the perimeter and the area of your photograph. Can you explain to the class how you did this? So, Cameron, first, what were the lengths of the sides of your photograph? Okay. And what was the width? Good. So when you add those together for perimeter, what did you get? Okay, 20 inches. Good. So now, Cameron, let's look at the area of this photograph. Remember, Cameron, how do we find area? Good, length times width. So what did you do? Okay, excellent. Cameron multiplied her length and her width and she got 24 square inches. Great job, Cameron. And I saw many of you do excellent work in your breakout rooms. So remember, I always say to you that we can use math in the real world. Some of us think, no, this is dumb. I'll never need to know how to do this. But perimeter and area can be very useful. I'll give you an example of how I used area and perimeter. When I needed to get a new carpet in my living room, I measured the perimeter and the area of my living room, and then I knew what size carpet to get. I'm going to put you in a breakout room this time, or one more time. This time you will be with a random partner. And what I want you to do is think about one way that you might be able to use area and perimeter in your real life, either now or when you're an adult. After you talk about it, I want you to write 1 or 2 sentences with your partner explaining how you could use area and perimeter in real life. Okay, when you are finished, you may leave the classroom and this is the end of the lesson. I will then, after class today, check your answers and let you know how you did tomorrow. Okay, great job in math class today, everyone. It was excellent to see you. Okay, I'm going to put you in your breakout rooms with your partners. Raise your hand if you need help. Have a great day.